Good morning, students. Today we will jump to the next topic, that is HCF, that is highest common factor. We have already learned about HCF in class 4th, and we know that HCF of two given number is the highest number that divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. Okay, so we have to find the HCF, the highest common factor, and if we want to find the highest common factor of a given number, then we have to follow the two methods. That is, first one is prime factorization method, and second one is division method. Okay, so first we will deal with the HCF. We have to find the HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, we will first discuss the first method, that is prime factorization method, how to find the HCF of a given number by the prime factorization method. Okay, so we first find the prime factorization of each of the given number, then the product of all common factor or common prime factor is the HCF of the given number. I repeat, when we first find the prime factorization of each prime factorization, we have to find the prime factorization of each of the given numbers. Okay, as already we have discussed how to find the prime factorization. Okay, how to find the prime factorization. Then the product of the common prime factor, the product, then we have to find the product of all the common factors, okay, is the HCF of given number. Okay, let's discuss how to find the HCF by prime factorization method. I have written some example to make you understand very clearly. We have to find the HCF of 150 and 350. First you have to find the prime factor of each of the given numbers. Okay, we have to find separately prime factors. Okay, so let's start. We will first deal with 150. Okay, so we have to find the prime factor of this number. Okay, so we start that is okay, that is 30. Now we will again divide with 5, that is 6. Now again we will divide with, that is 2. So what is the prime factor of this number? So prime factor of 150 is 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, and last also 2 here, 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. Now we have to find the 350 of the 350. Okay, now again we will divide with 5, that is 70. Again we will divide with 5, that is 40. Then again we will divide with 7, that is 2. So what is the prime factor of 350? Prime factor of 350. What? That is 5 into 5 into 7 into 2. So according to the statement what I have written in the above, that we have to find the prime factorization of each of the given number, as already I have find the prime factorization of a given number separately. So then we have to find the product of all common factors. Okay, we have to find the common factors. Okay, so see how to find the common factor. Prime factor of 150, 5 comes. Prime factor of 350, here 5s also come. Okay, take this 5. Okay, take this 5, and in the second one here also 5 comes. Okay, take this. Now whether they are common 3 and 7? No. Which is common? 2. So what is the common factor in both 150 and 350? 5. Next 5. Then next 2. So now multiply this. 5 5s are 25 and 25 into 2, 50. So the HCF of this 2, 150 and 350 is 50. Clear? This is the prime factorization method to find an HCF of 150 and 350. First we have to separately find the prime factors of given numbers. Then you have to find the common factors in both the 150 and 350. Then after that multiply the common factors. Okay. Now comes to division method. How to find the HCF by division method. So first step, divide the greater number by smaller numbers. Divide the greater number by smaller number. Second step, divide the first divisor by the first remainder. Important. Divide the first divisor by the first remainder. Third, divide the second divisor by the second remainder. And this will continue till the remainder becomes 0. This process will continue till the remainder becomes 0. And the last divisor is the required HCF of the given number. The last divisor. Okay. The last divisor is the HCF of the given number. Okay, let's take an example. We have to find an HCF of 136, 170 and 255. So first what step? Divide the greater number by smaller one. Okay, so first we will divide 170 by 136. Let's divide. Okay, 136 and 170. Start. So 136 ones are, that is 136. What comes? 34. Got? Now the first divisor by the first remainder. Divide the first divisor by the first remainder. Okay. And what is the first divisor? That is 136. Now this 34, we have to divide 136 by 34. What you will get? That is 136. We have to continue the process till the remainder is 0. Now we have to divide. So HCF of 136 and 170 is 34. Okay, HCF of 136 and 170 is 34. Now the second one, that is 255 and 170. So now what is the last divisor? What comes here? 34. Now we have to divide this 255 by 34. Let's divide. 255 divided by 34. So start division. Here comes 238. Then what comes? Again this 34. What comes here? 2. That is 34 again. Okay. So the last one. The last one what? What is the last one? That is 17. So 17 will be the required HCF of 136, 170 and 255. I hope you understand how to find the HCF of a given number by two methods, that is prime factorization method and division method.